vacation!
We are!
Woo!
Oh my god! Where are we going?
I hope the beach.
Are we going to the beach?
I don't know yet. Where's she going? Where's she gonna send us?
I think she said Mexico.
Woo!
Hey guys, you heard Tom and Brian. We're going to Mexico, or well, you are, somebody is. Let me tell you what we've got going on. So it's our 10-year anniversary, and we got together and thought we should celebrate and help you guys get even better results and have a good time the month of April. So I want everyone that's a current client or group training member to join us in this contest. We're calling it Commit to Excel. All the details are going to be on the front desk, and your trainer knows all about it as well. So this is going to kick off on April 10th, and what it is, it's a points contest. There's all kinds of action items that you can complete to get 10 points, and for every 10 points you earn for our 10-year anniversary, you get one raffle ticket. So we're gonna have a big bucket of raffle tickets, and we're drawing for some really cool prizes every week, and then we have 3 big prizes. So the big prizes are, one of them's a 5-day, 4-night accommodation for 2 in Mexico. You have your choice of Cabo, Cancun, or Puerto Vallarta. The second drawing, the big drawing, is a 3-day, 2-night hotel accommodation, and there's some great cities all over the United States. Those trips are good for 3 years. And then in third place, we're gonna do some anniversary champagne and a gift card to Wine Shop at Home. And then we have weekly drawings, gift cards to restaurants and stores, and socks and Starbucks and Shakeology and all kinds of spa treatments and stuff that we can come up with just to celebrate you. So, name of the game is to enter with your trainer or with myself. It's a $10 entry, and that starts you off with 1 raffle ticket. And then we have a list at the front desk. You'll keep track on a form that we give you every week and hand that in so we can track your points. And you're gonna do things like logging your miles, food logs, certain exercises, inviting a friend to a workout, 10 minutes of foam rolling, stuff on Facebook, easy fun things that you can do. So check it out. Make sure you enter with your trainer or myself by April 9th, and you'll have a chance to win some cool stuff and maybe even that trip to Mexico.